Just look at this. Think it's real? It's not. And no, it's not made by Google Veo 3. What you're seeing is the work of a silent giant in the AI race. A model so advanced, it's quietly left every other video AI tool in the dust. The craziest part? Almost no one knows about it. It's called Dreamina AI, and their new Video 3.0 Pro model isn't just better, it's completely dominating the leaderboard. If you're into AI content creation, this is the one update you can't afford to ignore. When you look at the performance charts for both text-to-video and image-to-video models, one name stands above the rest: Dreamina 3.0 Pro, or as some insiders are calling it, C-Dance 1.0 by ByteDance. This model is number one. It's leading both categories at the same time. But here's where it gets wild. This tool isn't free for everyone. In fact, access is restricted. Most people either don't know it exists, or they assume it's locked behind a paywall. But I found a trick back door, and if you follow exactly what I'm about to show you, you can use Dreamina today, completely free, with unlimited access. This isn't just some promo. It's a real method I discovered after days of digging. No hacks, no shady software, just a sequence of steps that unlocks the full power of the world's most underrated AI video engine. Before I walk you through the exact steps, all I ask is this: if you appreciate content that dives deeper, that finds what no one else is talking about, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. It's free, but it helps me keep giving you these kinds of high-value secret videos. All right, let's get into it. Let's see how good Dreamina AI really is. When you click the link in the description below, it'll take you to dyna.capcut.com. The interface has changed a bit, so follow along carefully. This is the only guide you'll need. First up, the VPN. This is the most important step, and the reason the trick fails for most people. Open your VPN, I use Setup VPN, link below, and connect to a US server. With the US connection active, head over to Dreamina and create a brand new account. Use a Google account that's never been registered here before. You can use a fake birthday, no problem. Close any pop-ups, and if you see 0 credits, you're on the right track. At this point, the generator will still look locked. That's normal. Here's the key. Make sure your VPN is still set to the US, then refresh the Dreamina page. Boom, unlocked. Do you always need the VPN on? Only when accessing the website. Once you're in, you can turn off the VPN and everything still works. Now that we're inside, let's go through some stunning examples, step by step. You've got 2 video models. Always pick the latest one with 5 or 10 seconds and any aspect ratio. Prompts are capped at 500 characters, so be descriptive but concise. Then paste the prompt: A majestic barn owl perches silently on an old wooden fence post in a foggy meadow at sunrise. Golden light filters through the morning mist, casting soft shadows across dew-covered grass. Click generate. The quality? Insane. The details, the atmosphere, absolutely stunning. Multi-scene test. Let's test a multi-scene prompt. Pass the prompt. A lone hiker stands at the edge of a vast canyon at sunrise. Cut to a lively Moroccan market. Vibrant spices, colorful fabrics, people bargaining. Transition to a quiet desert at night, a campfire flickering under the moonlight with camels silhouetted in the distance. Realistic motion, cinematic lighting, 16:9, emotional and atmospheric journey. Its ability to understand narrative structure and deliver cinematic transitions from a single prompt? Unreal. This is where Dreamina flexes its true power. Click your generated video, hit Generate Soundtrack, and choose Customize. Select a vibe: cinematic, epic, ambient. For this one, cinematic is perfect. Hit Generate. The transformation? Incredible. The vibe completely shifts. Now let's try image to video. Upload this image. A photorealistic cinematic portrait of a young woman standing under a black umbrella on a rainy city street at night. Select the Video 3.0 model, then enter your detailed prompt. A woman walks alone on a rainy city street at night, holding a black umbrella. Neon lights reflect off wet pavement. Her coat sways in the breeze, raindrops fall gently, and her face shows quiet sadness. She pauses under a street lamp, soft light revealing her eyes. Cinematic depth, realistic rain physics, 16:9, moody, and emotional atmosphere. Keep the default aspect ratio and click Generate. It took under 2 minutes, and the result? Absolutely breathtaking. Now the craziest part, talking avatars. Next to the video generator, click the AI avatar tab. Upload any image. I'll use the one we just created. Choose master mode. Better results, still free. You can type your dialogue or upload an audio file. I'll type in a line for demo purposes. Hit generate. Let look the result.
Innovation doesn't just happen in the lab. It happens when we rethink the systems we rely on.
The output? Mind-blowing. This is the power they were supposed to have, and now it's yours. Animate any image, create endless B-roll, make a digital human say anything. The rules of content creation officially broken. The power isn't theirs anymore, it's yours. All the links are down below. Go create something impossible. And hey, if you made it this far and found this helpful, you already know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.